So find your seat and arrive at your now comfortable, familiar meditation position. Sit comfortably with a straight spine, relaxed shoulders, and do nothing. Now relax your lower jaw and allow your mouth to hang open slightly. And breathe from the mouth. Shallow breathings. Let the body breathe automatically, naturally. When you feel that the breath has become shallow, your mouth is open and relaxed. Your body is relaxed. Start feeling a smile, but not with your face. Feel the smile all over. Feel it in your heart. Imagine that your heart is smiling. Feel your belly smiling. Feel the top of the head smiling. Then feel that smile through your whole body. Begin somewhere at any point. And go through every part of your body and feel that body part smiling. Allow the energy and the feeling of the smile to spread from the tips of your toes all the way to the top of your head. Your whole body now should be smiling all over. And now smile back at your heart. Feel your heart smiling at you. And also smile back at your heart. Feel the smile at the top of your head and smile back. Feel your belly smiling. And smile back at your belly. Know that you can feel this smile energy inside you. Whenever you go about your day and you feel that you are missing joy and could use the feeling of some extra happiness, remember the feeling of the smile inside you and recall it whenever you want to. I wish you a joyful day full of smiles, and try to smile not only at yourself, but at the people you meet during the day.